Hey guys, welcome to Little History Bites. Yeah, I know it's a cheesy name, but let's go with it. I'm Harley. You all know me. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Shall we get into History Bites? Yes, I think we shall. This first video in this new series introduces the different Toronto neighborhoods to residents and tourists. The first is Davenport. You're gonna love this, I promise. Hold on, it's coming. Davenport Road followed a trail that linked the Don River in the east with the Humber in the west. It was also the shoreline of ancient Lake Iroquois prior to the filling up of the Lake Ontario Basin. I'm talking about 5,000 to 10,000 years ago. After York was established in 1793, the trail was considered out in the country far from the commercial center of Little York, or as it was called, Muddy York. It was named or renamed several times over the years, but it was with the arrival of soldier John McGill that the road was named Davenport. In 1833, 1 year before York was elevated to city status and became Toronto, on March 6, 1834, toll booths were constructed across the town and into the surrounding countryside, as far west as Sunnyside. The toll keeper's cottage at the intersection of Bathurst and Davenport survives to the present day and can be seen. On April 20th, 1891, the Davenport Street Railway Company was established to operate streetcar service to West Toronto Junction. It was the second electrified streetcar line in the Toronto area. The route ran from Keele and Dundas to Bathurst and Dupont. In 1894, the Davenport Street Railway Company was taken over by the Toronto Suburban Street Railway Company. We had a lot of street railway companies, but they all merged as the TTC in the 1920s. However, the Toronto Suburban Street Railway Company was then acquired by the owners of the CNR, the Canadian Northern Railway. In 1912, the farm at the southwest corner of Bathurst Street and Davenport became the Hillcrest Racetrack, but closed in 1916 at the height of the First World War. The site was taken over by the newly created TTC and is now called Hillcrest Yards. Davenport is a fascinating walk, so get out and explore.